The script say we should have did at 21. I just the mercies of God. You don't understand? Psycho.
If my pillow could speak, it would tell you how I weep. I was a bad man on road, but to Jesus me weep. If my pillow could speak, it would tell you how I weep. Me have a big smile.
Alright, happy March everyone. So this is my ColourPop palette again, and guys, I bought a bunch of ColourPop eyeshadows. I'm not going to explain myself again, and this is what I chose to do with them. So this palette is actually called You Had Me at Hello. I know these palettes were really good for Valentine's Day, but I'm recording this in March, which, by the way, happy March. How you doing, boo-boo? So this look is gonna be, from me, as simple I look. If you think it's not simple, just let me know in the description, in the comment section below. And having said that, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to comment, and also share and subscribe if you have not. For this month of March, I'll be continuing my trend, and I'll be trying my best to upload a video every other day in the month of March, which means more videos, more tags, more Jermaine. So it's my excuse. I'm using it as an excuse to say, no, but baby, you have to record because, you know, I need content for YouTube, and then he will be sucked in. So this tutorial for me is just what you see is what you get. It makes no sense me here telling you why I'm doing what I'm doing, except for this section. If you notice, for this entire look, I went gradually with colors, and I kept on loading on colors, and then for the black, I'm taking my time and I'm building it up. That's the key for any black smoky look at all. You have to take your time with it. So you're going with a light, like a flesh tone color, then you're going in with a deeper color, a reddish color, and so on and so forth. And then you build up to the depth that you want. Then you build up to the black eyeshadow. You just don't go in it straight like that. So I'm using my, I think I said it, I mouthed it a while ago, but it's actually NW35 from MAC, and it is their concealer. And I'm using that as a base. So that is going to allow the eyeshadows to be a bit more vibrant, but also it also lays the foundation for my cut crease, because obviously this look is a cut crease sort of look. So yeah, so it's just a natural eye look, but I wanted to use all the eyeshadow palettes that I bought. I didn't get them, I bought them, which I have no problems buying, you know. Yeah, so another simple look as far as I'm concerned. It doesn't take much at all. It does take, however, practice. And having said that, don't forget about my classes in Tamarack, Florida, and Coral Springs. If anything changes, you can check my website, because as I'm talking to you now, like the flyers are being made, the posters being made, the graphic designer has his design, it's being done, and all my graphics are done by G-Steer Designs. They've always been a sponsor for my classes. So I want to shout out as well Face by Shanna, who has helped as well, who has, you know, given me products I bought from her as well. These are her lashes, and I believe these are in MILF. I love them so much. They're very, very light. I know it looks like, you know, heavy, no, but they're extremely light on the eyes, and I love the packaging, nice and sleek with the silver. So this is basically the look. Oh, and for my lips, let me tell you guys what I'm wearing for my lips is actually called Gold Digger, and it is a metallic matte lippy. That's what I'm wearing. So it's a metallic matte lippy, and as you guys just saw, I used my what that name again? My eyeshadow as my as my glow. So yeah, so that's basically it, you guys. This is basically the look. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and to rate, to comment, to all that good stuff. I want to thank you guys so much for your support. I have new subscribers, and you guys, I'm almost at 200,000 subscribers. So please share my videos as much as you possibly can. Comment as much as you possibly can. Like as much as you possibly can. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Hustlers anthem. Yo, with poor life we no content, but you not see we beg a soul 1 cent. Yo, yo, Professor.
Yeah, you
Chop. Mobile. To Spain. Kingston say we have to get paid. Them have the angle, we have the blade. Look we fool, we no afraid. Every ghetto black. How we wake up the road this morning. When we tap out bonnets,